Mike Will made it, nigga. Shrimp life. Like Bobby's in the city, fat ass and pretty titties, get dummies for their money.
Alright, so what's up? It's your girl Flawless Lex. I'm making another video, and today we're gonna do a part 2 to I'm tripping. We're gonna do a part 2 to the Rate Me challenge or whatever. If you not have done so yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. So this one I don't have any makeup at all. I'm gonna accept this one and I better go through it. Hey, I got a question. If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
Give me a second. Hello?
Yeah.
What's up?
If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
What would I rate you? A 9. Alright. I was just asking. How about me?
You a 9. You a 9.
Oh, word.
You said what?
I said I look tough. I don't get a haircut, bro. It's Treyway. Treyway shit.
Oh my god. Oh man.
Be safe. Always be happy. Never let nobody bring you down, okay?
Alright, I got you. Wow. Y'all heard that? Did y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Tells him it's Treyway. But I like the ending how he said don't let nobody bring you down and stuff like that. Like he's a good person, you know? I don't know how old he was. I mean, I just said that wrong. Hey, what's up? Hey, I got a question. If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
You said what?
If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would it be? I already add my time. Y'all gotta add y'all time. Skip. I like how a lot of people from here is from like Detroit. I mean, some, you know, like everywhere else and stuff. But I seen a couple of people from Detroit on here. Even before I recorded this video, like. Alright, let me stop playing with y'all for real. Who next?
Alexis. Oh shit.
Hey, I got a question. If you can rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
7.
You said a 7?
You a 10?
A 10?
Yeah.
Alright, I was just asking. That's all.
But you got self-confidence issues. You need to be exiting creation.
You said what?
I said you don't need to be exiting niggas when she read you a man chick. Pretty as fuck.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
That means the friends are androcentric. Met you up later.
Alright. No. They thought. I be tricking people though. I'm like, alright. No, you don't like that. Alright, for real. Who's this? Oh, dang. Oh, I should have clicked it too. Let's try. Hey, what's up? Hey, I got a question. If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would it be? You said what?
I said you sex.
If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
Oh man, shit. I heard you a good little 11.
11?
Yup.
Thank you. Thanks. I appreciate it. You said what?
No, I'm talking about my brother.
Oh.
Hey, I'll make it cheese.
Alright. Alright. Thank you. Thank you.
You know how it is.
You said what?
We wrong.
I'm from Detroit. Detroit. I couldn't hear him at first. I'm like, be quiet because I don't know what you see. But from the D to the A, put respect on it. Alright, no, I'm trying the next person because that was a girl. If the next guy is like older. That's another girl. Hey, what's up? I got a question. If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
Yeah.
You said what?
Yeah.
A 10?
Yeah.
Alright. I would just ask him for a video. You said what?
Video?
Yeah.
Hey, what's good, YouTube?
Oh my god.
What's your channel? What's our YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel, Flawless Lex.
Say that again.
Flawless Lex.
Wait, say that one more time.
Flawless Lex.
Flawless Lex.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
You gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Huh?
You gonna subscribe?
Alright, yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh my god. That was like the best one. Alright, let's see if he really gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel then. Cause I think he said subscribe to his. I don't know, I couldn't really hear him, but I think that's what he said. I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Bareface, you know, I'm still getting high rates and stuff. I think he said a 10. I got like an 8. No, yeah, I got like an 8 and higher. And that's good and stuff, you know. I ain't got perfect skin. Might look like it, but I don't have perfect skin and nothing like that. So I don't know. Overall, this was a good video for me. And like I said, if y'all want me to rate y'all, make sure y'all comment y'all monkey app, or y'all can do it through my Instagram or through my Snapchat. Okay, so basically just because right now my Instagram is private, but I will accept, you know, people want me to do this app, all my subscribers, I will accept y'all and stuff like that. And so yeah, just slide in my DMs, and if y'all want me to rate y'all, then I'll rate y'all, and that's that. And make sure y'all watch my other video, and I'm probably gonna do a part 3 today. I will see y'all in my next video, which will probably be a couple of days, or I don't know, but another video will be coming soon, so get into that. But yeah, bye y'all, and I will catch y'all later. You like my hair?